Let's get some stock analysis now in terms of what this may mean for Apple. Barton Crockett from Rosenblatt joins us. Stock's down almost 3%. Barton, what's your take?
Well, look, I do think that the history of these antitrust actions generally has been one where the stocks shrug it off. So for Apple to react negatively here today, I'm not sure that over the long term this is really going to be the defining question for Apple. I mean, I think Apple stocks kind of hinge much more significantly on their device traction, the recovery in the iPhone, and their ability to put up a meaningful kind of brand presence and feature presence in AI, which is becoming a key kind of driver of consumer purchases, at least according to our recent survey work. So he mentioned Microsoft. The thing to remember with Microsoft is, yes, they were slapped with restrictions, but those didn't stop Microsoft from, recreating itself and becoming an incredible stock. So this doesn't necessarily impinge upon, the opportunity at Apple. We still have a neutral rating, but it's really not on antitrust that our concerns lie. It's elsewhere.
Yeah, although, could you not put together some sort of discounted cash flow model that says, all right, 4 years out, these guys are going to have to break up their alleged monopoly around the App Store and what that would mean?
Well, that's a question, right? Is it a breakup or is it behavioral remedies, which is what they did with Microsoft, was behavioral. And, the behavioral remedies, the history of that, I think, is that by and large you can manage that. So obviously we don't know many things here, but history suggests that behavioral remedies are not something to be overly concerned about.
Even for Apple and its sort of tightly held ecosystem around its software?
Clearly, Apple has been leveraging the App Store, and the complaint, I think, is provocative with what it's raising. We'll have to obviously learn more as this plays out. But I think history would tell us that they'll probably be able to navigate this. Obviously it's still early days, so we'll have to see how it develops.
What would make you more concerned? Because it doesn't sound like you do see this antitrust risk as a big headwind for the stock. What would you have to hear? We'll hear from the Department of Justice in 10 minutes for you to have a different view on it.
We'll have to obviously I'll have to see what they've already kind of put together in this case. Haven't had a chance to probe through the details yet. We'll have to see how egregious the conduct is. We'll have to see a little bit more about what the government's looking for. If it does look like Apple's losing badly and the government's going for the jugular, obviously you could rethink. But that hasn't been historically what's happened. That companies can lose, but they don't necessarily lose their heart and soul, their ability to kind of grow the business. So, if they're taking that out of Apple, then it's a different story.
All right, Barton, thank you for joining us with your instant reaction here with shares down almost 3%. And Tim Cook, by the way, which we haven't mentioned, in Shanghai, opening a new store.
That's right. That's right. He's there.